What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to CrackinDaSeal. Got a little something, and I'm sipping on a little something tonight. You know, we about to rip through it. Let's get to it. Got 2 packs today. FatesCollide, BreakPoint. Start this BreakPoint first. How everybody doing? Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Didn't want to ask you guys to do it, but I'm going to ask you guys to do it. Oh, white code card. 1, 2, 3. Lightning. No. Messed up the card count, but we're gonna get to it. Ooh, reverse Holo. Oh, Garchomp Holo. I'm gonna put that boy right there. On to the last pack. Thanks for y'all who do watch. Continue to watch. You know, we're gonna stay cracking seals. Straight cutting the pack open. Oh, we got another white code card, 2 for 2. Let me see if I can count it right. Oh. Tyranitar Holo. I already showed the Holo right away. My bad. Let's get through this pack though. Filter through it quick then. Ooh, random receiver. Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. And for y'all, we'll tear a card.